Fucking little cheaters. Here I am, guys. I just set up my iMovie. They froze my host. As you can see, we're up 3-1. This is absolute bullshit. Suede timed out. It was not RIP flooding. This is us. I can't hit our... Oh my god, this is no good proof anyways. I can't hit our team names. This is Dome's second map. We're up 3-1. He timed out after we were up 2-1. He obviously thinks we're flooding him, and now they're cheating back. Oh my god. Fucking idiots. My whole Xbox is frozen. I'm not to shut it off. They're gonna get the win for this map, but we're not giving it to them because they're cheaters. They think I hit him. It's absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. So, that's that. I can't do anything else about that. I'm just gonna upload this if they try and cheat our fucking asses. Alright, I'm recording. Here's the fuckers that hit us offline. See how this game goes. We have to play third max. We have no valid proof, but bullshit on them here anyways. This is absolute fucking bullshit, dude. I know GB can't do anything about it, but it ruins everything. Real fucking no life. Child, they're gonna take SAS Spets the last second. Alright, I'm going straight up Eskies. Fuck, dude. Why did I get the bomb? Alright, I'm planning B, man. Airboy, come on. Monkeys, back off, man. Back off, monkeys. Why are you going to the right, dude? Let's go. Fucking best team out here. Alright. I got help desk. Double stuns over billboard everywhere near it. Actually, I'm gonna push up past help desk into crevice, or what do we call it? Sheet. Okay, I didn't see one. Anything? One's in remodeling. Okay. I got him. Check for bomb. Okay, alright. Wait, I'm gonna check for bomb on this guy. Okay. Alright, April, listen for B plant. I got it. Monkeys, watch over me. Okay, boys, get near me now. You gonna hit us again? Bitches? Let's go. Fucking garbage, man. Eating on my ass. Let's go. You should probably start hitting us now, bitches. Let's go, man. Let's go. I'm rushing up top mid. I'm going for the obvious, dude. One stunned help desk. One help desk? No. There's another one there. I don't see him, man. Okay. Oh my god, man. Crevice. Sheet. Plan A. Go. Okay, maybe not. Yeah. Okay. Charge left. Okay. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. That's crucial. We need that 3-0 versus 2-1. Let's go. Let's go. Garbage. Outgunned. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it up. One more. Alright. I'm gonna stand help desk. Monkeys, camp way back, man. You can even camp on green box so you can keep an eye on A. Double stun, man. I didn't see any. Watch your bottom. Oh my god. They did it again. Alright, well, that's all the proof I'm gonna have for you guys, these little cheaters. There's that proof. So they did it again, froze my screen. If that's not enough proof to get this win, I don't know what to fucking do. 'Cause these kids are absolute cheaters. So that's that. Thanks. You saw the scoreboard. My fucking god. If we don't get the win, I'm done with GB.